This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TouchPix. First, you'll want to download the TouchPix application directly from your device's App Store. Once installed, either create a brand new account or simply log in if you already have one. It's super important to make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements, which usually includes having at least 2 GB of RAM and a modern operating system to ensure everything runs smoothly and without any hitches. Next, let's dive into configuring your event. You'll begin by selecting the specific event type you're hosting, whether it's a fun photo booth or an immersive 360 video experience. Then, personalize your event by customizing elements like unique overlays, adding your favorite background music, and incorporating your brand's logo. Don't forget to set up instant sharing options, allowing your guests to receive their amazing media within just a few seconds of capture. Now, it's time to connect your hardware. Carefully connect your camera, any additional lighting equipment, and other essential accessories you plan to use. After everything is plugged in, take a moment to verify that all your external devices are correctly recognized and displayed within the TouchPix application. To ensure everything is working perfectly, perform a few sample captures. This quick test will confirm that your entire setup is fully functional and ready for your guests. Finally, you're ready to go live. Start your event and keep a close eye on guest interactions and how the media is being captured. If any issues arise, like connectivity problems or errors saving media, address them quickly to minimize disruption. After your event concludes, take some time to review the event analytics and guest engagement data. This valuable feedback can help you refine your setup and improve future events, making each one even more successful and enjoyable for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.